Hey everyone! Welcome to today's tutorial. Are you looking to create stunning, professional PowerPoint cover slides that leave a lasting impression? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to design eye-catching slides, just like this one. Get ready to take your presentations to the next level. Let's jump right in. First, we're setting the background. Right-click anywhere on the slide and select Format Background. Now, let's choose a bold and vibrant blue. Head over to More Colors and set these RGB values: red 28, green 70, blue 243. Look at that! A rich, professional blue that makes your slide pop. Now, let's add some shape elements. Select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. Adjust the width just like I'm showing you. We don't want an outline, so go ahead and select No Outline. Fill it with a clean white color. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Duplicate the shape using Ctrl+D. Change its color and adjust its width. This creates a cool layered effect. Next, let's align everything perfectly. Select both shapes, go to the line, and choose Align Center and Align Middle. See how clean that looks? Now let's group them. Ctrl+G to group. We need more of these. Duplicate the grouped shape twice more and arrange them side by side. Now, group them all into a single unit. Looking good, right? Let's add some dynamic movement. Rotate the shape, go to Shape Format, select Rotation, then choose More Rotation options. Set the angle to 37 degrees. Now, position it just like I'm showing in the video. See how it instantly looks more stylish? Now, time to refine. Ungroup the shapes twice so we can work with individual elements. Then, draw a rectangle over them. This will help us merge and subtract shapes for a polished look. Select the third front shape, then the covering rectangle. Go to Merge Shapes and hit Subtract. Repeat for the third back shape. And finally, select the three background white shapes, go to Merge Shapes, and choose Union. Do the same for the three foreground shapes. Now, trim all extra parts of the shapes using the same merge options as shown in the video. And boom! Everything merges into a single clean shape. Now, let's make it pop with an image. Choose any image you like and place it over the slide. Use the shapes as a guide to position it perfectly. Then, bring the shapes to the front to align everything neatly. Here's the magic trick. Select both the image and the shape, go to Merge Shapes, and choose Intersect. Just like that, the image fits seamlessly into your design. Let's add some eye-catching animations. Select the image, go to Animations, and choose Split Animation. Go to Effects option and change direction to Horizontal Out. Set the animation start to After Previous. Open the animation pane for better control. Now, for the background shape. Apply the same animation, but change the direction to vertical in. Set the animation start to with previous and adjust the delay to 0.25 seconds. Lastly, let's add text. To save time, I'll use text from my previous design, but you can customize it however you like. And there you have it. You just created a stunning, professional PowerPoint cover slide. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. Happy designing!